Hey everyone. Today, we're about to flip the script on everything you thought you knew about bees. What if I told you that these tiny creatures could hold the key to understanding not just nature, but consciousness itself? Stay with me, because we're about to explore theories that connect bees to quantum physics, AI, and even the origins of awareness. This isn't your typical bees are important for pollination talk. This is next level. Let's go hive minds and the edge of consciousness. We've all heard that bees work as a hive mind, but what if this isn't just a metaphor? Researchers have found that bee colonies behave in ways that resemble neural networks in the brain. Think about it. Your brain doesn't have a single leader neuron. Instead, billions of neurons exchange signals, and somehow consciousness emerges. Bee colonies function in a remarkably similar way. Individual bees might seem simple, but together their synchronized actions like decision-making and resource distribution act like a brain. Could this mean a hive itself has some form of collective awareness? And if so, what could this teach us about human consciousness? Quantum bees. Here's where it gets really wild. Some researchers suggest that bees might operate on principles that resemble quantum mechanics. When bees forage, they somehow solve complex optimization problems, like finding the shortest route between flowers even faster than supercomputers. How do they do it? One theory is that bees could be tapping into quantum processes. For example, studies suggest that bees use quantum effects to detect polarized light and navigate. If that's true, are bees not only thinking collectively, but also accessing a layer of reality we're just beginning to understand? This raises a provocative question. Could consciousness itself, in humans and other beings, have quantum roots? And could studying bees help bridge the gap between biology and quantum physics? The emotional lives of bees. Now let's turn the focus inward. Most people think of insects as emotionless, instinct-driven creatures, but studies suggest bees might experience rudimentary emotions. In one experiment, scientists exposed bees to stress, like simulated predator attacks. What happened? The bees behaved more cautiously afterward, avoiding potential risks. This is strikingly similar to how humans and animals process fear or anxiety. If bees can feel something akin to emotions, does that mean they're conscious on an individual level? Or is this emotional response just another layer of the hive's collective intelligence? What if emotions are a prerequisite for complex consciousness, not just in humans, but across species? Are bees teaching us how to build AI? Now let's bring this back to something futuristic: artificial intelligence. The way bees process information and make decisions could be a goldmine for creating smarter, more efficient AI systems. For example, swarm robotics, a field inspired by bee colonies, uses decentralized systems to solve problems in ways no single robot could handle alone. But here's where it gets even crazier. If we model AI after bee behavior, could we accidentally give rise to a form of artificial consciousness? Bees show us that intelligence doesn't need a single brain to exist. What if the future of AI isn't a supercomputer, but millions of tiny, connected systems working as one? Bees and the universe's great mystery. Let's zoom out even further. Bees operate as if they're following an unseen blueprint, one that allows perfect coordination without any central authority. This mirrors what we see in the universe, where everything from galaxies to subatomic particles follows patterns of interconnectedness. Could bees be a microcosm of how the universe itself operates? If a hive is a small-scale example of collective consciousness, does that mean the universe, or even life itself, has some kind of intrinsic awareness? Maybe consciousness isn't limited to humans or animals. Maybe it's a fundamental property of complex systems, whether it's a brain, a hive, or the cosmos. Why this matters? So why does all this matter? Because bees challenge the way we think about intelligence, emotions, and even the nature of reality. They blur the lines between individual and collective, instinct and awareness, biology and quantum physics. By studying bees, we might not only save the planet, we might unlock secrets about consciousness that could redefine humanity's place in the universe. So are bees just tiny workers following instinct, or are they something far more profound? Do they hold the answers to consciousness, quantum mechanics, and the universe's greatest mysteries? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the extraordinary world of bees, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep questioning everything.